Alright, I'm live. What? We're going off Hogan's anyways.
Whatever you want, bro. I don't know. Wait, let me start recording.
Wait, what was here? What was here?
Recording started.
We gotta keep that. We gotta keep that.
It could just say like nicer.
Dude, I'm
You never
lagging
know.
bad.
This is not getting edited. What you mean?
This video ain't even gonna get posted.
I'm never touching this video again. We will, bro. It's a good idea.
It's like a podcast. It's like a podcast, but we're killing terraria.
I'm Kristen Cacciatore from Charlestown High School in Boston, and today we're going to do a review of polar bonds to help us get to.
I've got
Here
eucalyptus.
we have a simple diatomic
Sap.
molecule. This is sulfur monoxide.
You have a
You can
pet
see
squirrel.
This is a polar molecule because it contains a polar bond. Sulfur is much less electronegative than oxygen, and so therefore the bond between them is polar because the oxygen ends up being a little bit negative and the sulfur a little bit positive. And
I have not putting
thought we were
Farming
done.
Boss
to start by looking at the polarity of the individual bonds
into the video.
So remember how you do that. You look at electronegativity difference. All right, so let's go on and talk about a molecule.
Alright, let's do it.
What?
Teleport to forest.
So carbon dioxide has two polar carbon-oxygen bonds.
I'm confused.
Wait.
Is the molecule as a whole polar? Well,
Hogan.
the molecule linear.
Aw.
And
Are we
the
Are we
molecules
farming or are we doing lunatic
in
cultist?
exactly opposite in direction. So therefore, they cancel each other out, and the net dipole for the entire molecule.
Yeah.
So this
cool with
molecule
that.
is non-polar. All right. So what are the rules for determining molecular polarity? Well, we have to consider both the bond
Nobody
and
wants to
the
see.
shape
We
of the
defeated it
bond.
44
So if
times.
Bro, I just wanna beat the game. More, do you want my link?
More than that.
Non-polar overall. Doesn't matter what shape it is. If it has only non-polar bonds. If
Okay.
The central atom in the
All
molecule
right,
is
just
symmetrically
teleport.
surrounded by identical atoms.
No, it doesn't
Fine.
work.
It will be non-polar. Even
Are there
though
not enough
bonds-
villagers?
But it's very important to recognize that
It just says it's not in the right.
so the molecules have to symmetrically surround the central
I don't know.
atom. And
Oh, that's fine.
they
I
have
can
to
just
be
move it.
identical to each
Come
other
back.
in order for this to be true. Okay, the symmetrical
we're
shapes
too
are
far in.
with three atoms. Trigonal planar.
No,
tend
you're
to be
literally
trigonal
not. Just use a
square planar and octagonal.
mirror.
All of the other shapes that you've learned, like seesaw and T-shaped and bent and all of the others, they are asymmetrical.
All right,
So
well,
if
I
a
can-
molecule has an
I'm gonna be
asymmetrical
wait-
shape and it has any polar bonds at all, the molecule.
I'm gonna be waiting on y'all.
Okay, let's look at some examples. And put this in
It'll take like 2
So,
seconds.
before we move on, though, you gotta memorize
All right,
which
I'm
shapes
starting,
are
boss.
symmetrical, which ones aren't, because on the exam you're gonna need to know that. All right, so here we have.
Wait, are you
molecule
actually already there?
And it has
Yeah, bro.
3 bond dipoles, and you can see that they are symmetrically.
They're gonna
Wait, where'd
they're
you
gonna
move it?
diss us for our arena.
Shape, a
It's like
trigonal
terrible.
What'd you move it
So
to?
this molecule is non-polar, even though it has polar bonds.
Oh my gosh, a
So
freaking
two
goblin
is-
army.
has 2 polar bonds and an asymmetrical shape, so it will be polar. That shape is asymmetrical.
Wait, I need to. Don't start it yet. I
And
need to.
the
I'm
atoms
missing
surrounding the carbon are
something.
identical. They're all fluorine. So in this case, we end up with a non-polar molecule. How about NH3? Well, here we have a trigonal pyramid,
Give me a minute.
and that is not a symmetrical shape. So those polar bond dipoles do not cancel out, and we end up with a polar molecule overall. Moving on, let's look at a trigonal bipyramid, like PCl5.
We need a little
This is not our symmetrical
spice.
shape, and we have identical atoms, so this is a
You know?
non-polar molecule.
Add a little.
1981 was the year that
Make the molecule as a whole polar. All right, how about a T-shape like ClF3? Not a symmetrical shape.
Hey, there's a
I think
goblin
it was
army.
the,
Careful,
last-
careful not to attack the
Polar bonds.
lunatic
But
cultists while
this is
there's
a
an
linear
army.
molecule, and linear
You know
is a
what I'm saying?
symmetrical shape if there's 3 atoms like we see here. And so therefore, the bond dipoles will cancel out, and we end up with a non-polar molecule. All right, now we get on to our octahedral shape.
Did you not
Identical atoms,
flush?
Symmetrical shape, non-polar molecule. How about in our square pyramid?
You clogged the toilet.
This is a polar molecule because the shape is asymmetrical, and we have polar bonds present. And last
You
but not least, let's look
freaking
at-
idiot!
This is a square pyramid molecule that's a symmetrical shape. So those bond dipoles cancel out since they're all XEF bonds, and we end up with a non-polar molecule. See you next time.
Very silly. Very silly.
Yeah.
Me
with
too,
the-
bro, me
with the-
I have like 2 essays to write. It's all good though, because it'll get done.
Do not programming foundation.
If you have a structure like carbon dioxide,
Yeah, no, I clocked that. I'm forgetting something else. What am I forgetting, guys? Yeah, obviously. Why did you attack it?
No.
I told you you couldn't. I only told you A million times. It's fine. We're destroying him. Just wait. He'll summon dragons. Too easy. Too easy, army. Luna event.
Alright.
Means that the oxygen has 6 electrons total. It has the 2 lone pairs.
Guys,
Look,
we're
guys.
in it to win it.
That was an
Check your map.
advantage.
You can see all the. You can see all the pillars. Okay, we need to kill 100 enemies to take down the barrier. We're over leveled as.
Oxygen atom has 6 valence electrons.
No, I did. I know I did. Make sure you're collecting like the stuff they drop.
Could we actually be any worse at this game? I mean, better at this game? Friggin' beast.
I got a trophy from the lunatic.
By the way,
Office.
this is Hogan's first ever playthrough, and this is me and Walter's like, probably like 10th or 12th.
Why is he lying? Why is this so easy? Because your butt.
Wait, that was kind of sus.
This is the one that'll make your armor, Walter. Oh no. Die! Getting angry. Getting so angry. You don't want to see me when I'm angry. I forgot to use the sharpening station again. Get the pillar! Bro, when he gets the pillar.
My mind goes numb.
Alright, next one. Guys, your mind goes numb. When your brain goes numb, you can kill them with the freeze. Good job. Alright, next one. Go to the next one.
Good reaction. Good reaction.
Go to med bay. Wait, I got something. Look at this. Nice. Bro, we can't do it until after Moonlord. We need Luminite bars. Wait, is this? Oh, I got melee weapon. What'd you say, Walter? Cause I don't know. It looks cool. I don't know. Well, we can't.
We're not keeping the same.
We
character.
could use. We're not gonna use the same characters. That'd be lame. To beat the game, I don't know. It's cool.
All right, can we fight Moonlord?
We got 3 more pillars.
All right, can we fight Moonlord?
Here's the next one. This will make Eli's armor. I forgot about my mount. Bro, this is easy, bro. Bro, this is so easy, bro. Skill issue.
Whoa! Dude, why did everything go freaking like cave vision?
What did he say? This video is gonna suck, by the way.
No, when we have like gifs of Freddy and Bonnie dancing in the corner, that'll be good.
Do we even explain what we're doing?
We're playing Terraria.
This is
We're about-
two idiots defeat Moonlord for the first time. That's the premise.
yeah, Hogan and Inyon.
Well, I'm an idiot, but it's not my first time.
Hogan and
Nah.
Inyon Lee.
I see what you did there.
I just got obliterated.
I just got blinded. That was sick.
Yeah, I can tell this is your first. I remember my first YouTube video too, buddy.
See what you did there. Yo, we got Truffle. I forgot about this guy. Wow. Cool. Alright, next pillar. I've got 30. Okay, pretty good.
Shut up.
Okay. This is good video.
Clip that, chat. Clip that.
We might blow up, bro.
I think
This is gonna give me my armor. Melee. Look, he's shooting flames out, bro. Bro, just fly. They can't attack above freaking like knee level. Hop on your freaking UFO mount that I know you have. You can fly infinitely with it, boy. You attack the tail. It's not that hard. They only attack little kids.
Yeah, they're supposed to attack little girls.
This is Terraria, not Minecraft. Not getting edited out, bro. No. Not attack.
Bro.
Why Wonderland? Why'd you leave?
Oh my goodness, it just dodged everybody.
Welcome to
It's okay, guys. I've got it covered.
It just dodged.
In this video, we are going to review the properties of solids, liquids, and gases, account for their differences, and use particulate level models.
Oh my gosh.
From Doherty High School in Princeton.
There's like no mob spawning anymore.
So first, we're going to compare and contrast the phases of matter. There's many phases of matter that exist. In AP chemistry, we're going to focus on the
You are not going to college.
and they're really dictated by the kinetic energy of particles.
I don't think he was planning on it anyway.
Kinetic energy of the particles within, as well as their heats of fusion and vaporization. They also can be affected by the pressure and temperature in their surroundings. In chemistry, we mostly encounter solids, liquids, and gases. We don't talk a whole lot about plasmas or other exotic states of matter, so we're going to focus on these three in this video. Particles retain what they change their molecular formula or their atomic structure in these different states, but they change their form, their volume, their density, and how far particles are within that substance. Here's some great examples. Argon is a good example because
Ladybug.
there's not a whole lot of attractions between the particles, but you see
Shut up.
solid, they're very close together, very tightly packed, and a very defined shape. Liquid,
Joining
is more spread out,
Mr.
relatively close together.
What's
Once
it?
we get into a gaseous state of matter, they're very far apart.
Almond?
Bro.
And they have little to no interaction with one another. We're going to focus on water.
Fair play, Wawa.
Because it's
I Wonderland.
on a daily basis, or there's few substances that exist in nature in all three phases that we encounter on our day-to-day lives. So you can see in solid water, the water molecules are fixed in position.
You got a UFO.
That actually is less dense as a solid than a liquid, but they aren't moving a whole lot.
You got a Birmingham.
Vibration within their degrees of freedom. If you look at the solids daily video, we have some examples. Motions of particles.
All right.
Solids.
Otherworldly voices linger around you.
The gases have more degrees of freedom. As a solid,
Hey yo.
Ozzy.
they're not necessarily closer to each other, as I mentioned, in water.
Ozzy. Oi, oi, oi.
Because of the spacing and the percentage
Alright. After the last pillar, we're gonna go over to the Duke Fish Round Arena because that's like our best arena. Does that sound good?
They're not locked in that crystalline structure. They're able to move, slide around, and so now in addition to vibrational.
Wait, Hogan, does he just spawn in immediately?
It's important to note that liquids can
What?
also evaporate even if they are not.
Does he spawn in immediately?
Vaporization of these particles, they can become gas as well as liquid, even though they're not.
Is that you?
evaporating. And now once we move to the gaseous state, much further
No, you get like 10 minutes.
no interaction between them.
Probably no less. You get less. You get like 5.
This is first for water.
What's King Tetris?
There's little to no attraction
It
between
might
them.
it might be like just until nighttime.
Particles, they have all the degrees of freedom. They're vibrating, they're
You're-
translating, and they're also rotating in space. The space
You're in the
between
ground.
liquids or solids, it's very low density. So you can
Yeah.
separate them easily. Let's practice some of those examples of solids, liquids, and gases and see if we
You got my UFO,
So in
bro?
this box below, I've got some particles representing
Oh, I think it's there, Hogan.
4 hydrogen atoms in a
I
single
think
Final
it's here.
pillar.
on the box on the right, like
Final
Why isn't-
pillar.
Why isn't it?
complete evaporation that is going from solid to gas. So pause the video for a moment and try this out on your own. All right, welcome back. So hopefully you've seen your particle diagram.
Is this for the Ranger armor?
Notice that there are still 6 particles. The methane hasn't changed the amount of
Huh.
mass that it had originally. Molecules are still intact. They're still CH4. Although they're now
It's like a spacesuit.
only the forces that are holding the particles
I've seen it before.
See how they?
actually.
You notice how they're all like doing range? They're doing range damage. Did you notice that?
Yeah.
They're all like shooting.
Oh my!
Oh my
goodness!
Ah!
The funny emoji in the comments section.
Guys, at the arena with Duke Fishron, I put the nurse there, right? And you can use the nurse during the boss fight to fully heal you. Isn't that cool?
Yeah, but that costs money.
Yeah, but we have like 20. We have like 20 platinum. Wilder, bro. Lock in. Wilder, lock in, bro.
I watched Kyson at Streamer University. I know.
Okay, actually, what are the chances of this video going up?
Why is this actually hard, bro? Where is the pillar?
The Infinity Stones.
The pillar was just asking which one is better. God, oh god. No, the edits are gonna save it, bro. Trust. We're gonna have to nap like 14.
Alright, I got some gifts for y'all.
Oh, Dirty Water's Indian. He can say that.
Okay.
Taylor Swift or Kanye?
Oh, this is sick. Oh my gosh.
Bro, that gun is broken. Alright, go to
Is the way, are y'all done?
Yeah, go to the...
Alright, I got stuff for y'all. Come here, come here.
Let's go to
Eli, I got you this.
Bro.
Guess how much damage it does for me. Just for me, guess how much
two?
damage.
200.
175.
Oh.
So that means for you it's gonna do like 200. Alright, we need to hurry before oh yeah, he's gonna come. Do you see how it's shaky? On your screen? Yes, I got you a Stardust Dragon Staff. Look what I got.
I
That's it.
want it, I want it, I want it, I want it, I want it.
Hurry! Hurry! He's about to spawn! Hurry! Alright, Eli, take this. Wawa. Take this. There he is!
We're dead.
Oh lordy lord! Oh lordy
Bro,
lord!
why didn't we set the spawn? Are we idiots?
What? What'd you say, Eli?
Why didn't we set the spawn?
No, I did this because look, we have the nurse here. Never mind. Yeah, no, we have the nurse here. So she can heal us.
Bro, I ain't
cool?
going down there to get you.
Eli, use the new magic weapon I gave you. It's like really good.
Okay, hold on, wait, let me heal. I need healing. Heal.
Bro,
Oh
we're
my
about to
goodness,
beat him, bro. This game is too easy.
Wouldn't be a boss fight without water dying.
Attack his heart! Get the heart, boys!
I'm so dead, Walter.
Home is where the heart is.
Which one is better, Moon Lord and Cultist?
We're gonna beat it! We're gonna beat Good job. Good job, my people! We beat it!
He's dead.
Guys! Guys, we did it! Do you see the credits?
Yes.
I got the magic weapon. Alright, we gotta do it again. In now, guys. Eli, come here. Here's this. Did you get any Luminite?
Yeah.
What else you get? Hand me the Luminite.
Oh, hand you it? What if I handed Walter it?
Then I would ask Walter to hand it to me. Alrighty. We'll do it again in a
this is a
minute. I can
better
craft
version.
some spawners.
Bro, let's just start hardcore.
Where did all the villagers go? I had a pylon here. Didn't get shit.
Oh, I got this. Walter, I got this. No, but I got it for you.
Wait, who picked up the vortex fragments?
Yeah, I have it. Literally everything.
Feed those
I got it.
grassstone. Okay. Just come home.
You're not getting anything.
Wait. Walter, I think I have something for you. Possession.
Oh, is that the new whip?
I think so.
Is that the new whip?
It looks pretty.
That thing is
It looks
broken. Give me the
Come home. Come home, Walter.
thing. I need to craft the spawner. Everybody is home right now. I need the vortex.
What does it look like? I think I might have put it in my trash can.
The vortex fragments? Are you kidding?
What does it look like? I don't think I have it.
It's like a little glowy thing and it bounces. No, you didn't. Eli.
I don't have it. I didn't put it in my trash can either.
Walter, do you have it? Check. It's a vortex fragment. It's like a little glowy. No.
I didn't put it in my trash can.
I mean, I can. Dude, I craft some, but like, that's such a freaking inconvenience.
Dude, I don't think I did, bro. My inventory was full.
Yeah, go check if it's still there. Go check if it's still there. Bro, do it. Damn. Y'all being fucking idiots. Holy.
We can edit that out. That's a little funny word. He's a naughty. Where's this friggin' pylon, bro? Hogan, where's the pylon? Oh, it's right
To the
here.
left. Being annoying.
Oh. I'm just in the middle of the potential storm.
Welcome to AP Daily Topic 3.1, Intermolecular Forces. In this video, we will focus on the nature and relative strength of intermolecular forces. I'm Kristen Cacciatore from Charleston High School in Boston. So we're going to start off by contrasting.
Hey, this video was filmed in
So an
2023,
intermolecular force is essentially
so
a covalent bond. It is an attraction that holds atoms
we're
together.
gonna post this in.
An
We're gonna post this in 3 years.
Attraction between atoms that are on different molecules. So it's represented here by the dashed red line. All right, so how are intermolecular forces formed? Well, water molecules, for example, are polar. So we know there's a partial positive charge on hydrogen, partial negative charge on oxygen. And that means that the negative oxygen is going to attract the positive hydrogen from another molecule.
Oh, yeah, even this.
So just like a covalent ion bond, but IMF is generally weaker than covalent and ion bonds. Okay, so let's talk about one particular type of IMF, which is called a dipole-dipole interaction. These occur between any two polar molecules. They can be attractive or repulsive, but generally molecules are going to orient themselves so as to maximize attraction. And the strength of these dipole-dipole forces is directly related to the magnitude of the dipole. Some examples of molecules that experience dipole-dipole forces: carbon monoxide, ammonia, and dichloromethane.
Did you find any?
Think about this. Have you
Did you find any?
Well, they actually breathe O2, the same thing that we do.
I found a superior
So,
cutlass.
their oxygen molecules actually dissolve in water, which is polar. Fish can then take in the O2 from the water.
So were there not any vortex fragments?
Well,
Yeah, there's not. I can take the footage. I did not throw them away. I was
the
recording.
electrons in O2 are repelled by the negative part of water, and O2 is forced
Why?
to have a dipole.
If nobody
In
picked
this
them up,
situation,
then
the
they're
each
over
nonpolar
there.
oxygen
For
molecule
sure.
temporarily becomes slightly polar because of the effect of the water. And this dipole depends on the orientation and the
Let
proximity.
me
of
look
the
one
molecule.
more time, really
If it goes away,
good.
then the dipole and oxygen ceases to exist. And this type of interaction is always attractive. How about
I don't even remember where the
two
pillar
nonpolar
was.
molecules? We've already talked about polar molecules, then we get dipole-dipole, or between a polar and a nonpolar, we get dipole-induced dipole. Can two nonpolar molecules interact? Can oxygen molecules interact with each other? Or bromine molecules?
What does he mean by that?
Let's take a look.
Well, no, wait. What does he mean?
So here's two bromine molecules.
Wait,
Even though bromine is nonpolar, electrons are still
how do I
randomly
check the
distributed around.
footage?
Wasn't it here by the house?
And when the temporary dipole of one
Let me check
bromine
my-
approaches another bromine molecule, it induces a
Dude, that was
dipole
25
dipole
minutes of
dipole.
footage, bro.
And
That
then
was
you
like
end up
good.
with partial positive and negative parts to these two molecules that are attracted to each other. So we get these induced dipole interactions, which are called